สบายดีบรรดาทานผู้มีเกียรติทานหญิงและทานชายที่นับถือและฮักแพงทั้งหลายข้าพเจ้ามณีพรอินตะวันรองหัวหน้ากรมคุ้มครองธนาคารธุรกิจธนาคารแห่งสปป.ลาวขอถือเป็นเกียรติต่างหน้าธนาคารแห่งสปป.ลาว
The two institutions had a joint news conference at the head office of the Lao Development Bank in Vientiane on Wednesday to offer a clarification about information that circulated on social media.
ที่ได้กล่าวหาว่าธนาคารธุรกิจในสปป.ลาวมีการเคลื่อนไหวบ่สอดคล้องกับกฎหมายฉะนั้น
The event was live-streamed to provide clear information to customers, businesses, organizations, and the public in Laos and abroad. The central bank said the Lao Development Bank remains financially stable, operates transparently, and complies with the laws and banking regulations of Laos.
ระบบการชำระสางได้รับการพัฒนาอย่างต่อเนื่องตามทิศหันเป็นทันสมัยสามารถเชื่อมโยงเชื่อมไส้การบริการกับธนาคารและแขนง
The Deputy Director of the Department of Bank Supervision of the Bank of the Lao PDR, Mrs. Maniporn Intawan, said her organization bank had taken note of the information and images circulated on social media concerning the Lao Development Bank. The central bank monitored the issue, coordinated with relevant sectors, and formed a committee to address the matter. It has also worked closely with the bank on a plan to respond to the issue.
ทรัพย์สินเฉลี่ย 23% ต่อปีฮอดเดือนมิถุนายน 2026 มีทรัพย์สินทั้งหมด 572,000 กว่าตึกกีบพร้อมนั้นการดำเนินธุรกิจของระบบธนาคารโดยรวมดำเนินธุรกิจมีผลกำไรและ
Mrs. Maniporn said based on its monitoring and cooperation with LDB to date, LDB overall is strong and stable, and its business operations comply with the laws of the Lao PDR. The Lao Development Bank has continued to develop its operations and service network following its restructuring in 2021. The bank currently has registered capital of 1,200 billion KYB and plans to further strengthen its capital base in the coming years. Its return on assets stands at 1.56%, while its return on equity is 28%. The Lao Development Bank non-performing loan ratio is 0.01%, reflecting effective credit management.
รวมทั้งได้เฮ็ดเวียกอย่างใกล้ชิดกับ LDB เพื่อกำหนดแผนการในการแก้ไขอย่างเร่งด่วนถึงอย่างไรก็ตามเพื่อสร้างความรับรู้และเข้าใจที่จะแจ้งให้แก่พ่อแม่ประชาชนบุคคลนิติบุคคลและการจัดตั้งทาง
Mrs. Maniporn Intawan, the Deputy Head of the Commercial Bank Supervision Department, said the bank has a modern liquidity management system that enables it to meet payment obligations and other commitments to customers and business partners. The Lao Development Bank undergoes annual audits by international recognized external auditing firms. The Bank of the Lao PDR also regularly monitors and supervises its operations. Referring to measures against money laundering and financing of terrorism, Mrs. Maniporn said the Lao Development Bank had followed relevant laws and regulations. It has invested in a modern Know Your Customer system and regularly submits required reports to the Anti-Money Laundering Intelligence Office.
เพื่อสร้างความเข้มแข็งด้านทุน LDB ได้มีการเพิ่มทุนจดทะเบียนอย่างต่อเนื่องในซุมปีผ่านมาและยังจะมีแผนเพิ่มทุนตื่มอีกในซุมปีต่อหน้าซึ่งปัจจุบัน
She said the Bank of the Lao PDR therefore wishes to assure parents, citizens, individuals, legal entities and organizations, both domestic and foreign, that the LDB is stable and conducts its business transparently.
ขอแสดงความขอบใจนำท่านรองหัวหน้ากรมคุ้มครองธนาคารธุรกิจ
The Managing Director of the Lao Development Bank Limited, Mr. Phongsamut Duangchai, said the bank was established in 2003 and has operated for 23 years. The government holds a 30% share in it, while the private sector holds 70%.
ข้าพเจ้าฟองสมุทรดวงใจผู้อำนวยการธนาคารพัฒนาลาวจำกัดต่างหน้าให้ คณะกรรมการ
According to him, the bank had a governance structure that complies with the Lao laws and international standards. This structure includes a board of directors, a management board, an executive team, and specialized departments. The bank also has its own anti-money laundering and risk management department responsible for preventing financial crime and managing related
พ
risks.
บเห็นแหล่งข่าวที่มีการเผยแพร่ข้อมูลผ่านสื่อสังคมออนไลน์ที่กล่าวหา LDB มีการเคลื่อนไหวบ่สอดคล้องต่อกับระเบียบและกฎหมายของสปป.ลาวต่อกับประเด็นดังกล่าว
Mr. Fong Samut said the bank uses a modern anti-money laundering system developed by a German software company. The system can screen customers and transactions against blacklists and sanctions lists issued by the United Nations, the Office of Foreign Assets Control, or OFAC, and European Union. The bank carries out customer due diligence before opening accounts and monitors transactions for unusual or suspicious activity. It also regularly reports suspicious transactions to the Anti-Money Laundering Intelligence Office and undergoes independent audits each year. He said with regards to the information circulating on social media alleging that the LDB is involved in money laundering, I would like to affirm that this has no basis in truth. The bank does not allow its systems to be used for money laundering or the financing of terrorism in any form. LDB has carried out its anti-money laundering work seriously and systematically and continuously.
4. มีการจัดตั้งปฏิบัติเวียกงานต้านการฟอกเงินที่เป็นอิสระมีกลไกการประสานงานและการรายงานอย่างใกล้ชิดกับสำนักงานข้อมูลต้านการฟอกเงินหรือสตฟง.
According to Mr. Fong Samut said, the bank will continue to protect customers' interests, support banking system stability, and build public confidence. He called on customers, business operators, traders, and organizations in Laos and abroad to continue placing their trust in the bank. The Bank of the Lao PDR and the Development Bank also encourage the public to carefully check information and rely on official sources before sharing claims about banks or financial services.
สุดท้ายนี้เพื่อให้ปัญหาดังกล่าวมีความกระจ่างแจ้งและชัดเจนต่อกับ
The joint news conference also provided an update on the wider conditions of the Lao commercial banking systems. Mrs. Maniporn said the country's banking system remains strong and stable. Overall, the banking system has grown strongly, remained stable, and maintained financial stability. The payment and settlement system has continued to modernize, allowing wider connectivity between banks in Laos and financial institutions. The payment and settlement system has continued to modernize, allowing wider connectivity between banks in Laos and financial institutions in the region and internationally. The banking system also continues to play an important role in mobilizing and providing funds for the country's economic and social development. The Lao banking system recorded average assets growth of 23% a year from 2020. As of June 2026, the total assets stood at more than 572 trillion ki. The banking system as a whole also continues to operate profitably and with reasonable efficiency. The system-wide average return on assets stood at 1.64%, while the average return on equity was 18%. The average capital adequacy ratio across the banking system was 17%, reflecting the sector's ability to manage risk and maintain stability. The Bank of the Lao PDR said it will continue working with relevant sectors and the Lao Development Bank to ensure the bank's operations proceed smoothly. Despite recent events, the Bank of the Lao PDR reaffirms its commitment to working jointly with relevant stakeholders and LDB to sustain smooth banking operations. Ultimately, the Bank of the Lao PDR calls for an unwavering confidence among parents, citizens, individuals, entities, and organizations, both domestic and international, in LDB's stability, transparent operation, and adherence to the Lao PDR's laws and regulations. Enhanced supervision guarantees the integrity of all banking services in the Lao PDR, including LDB, ensuring consumer confidence and operational robustness.
และได้มาตรฐานสากลขอขอบใจ